Look at this. Look at this. 130 Comet. Okay, here we go. 130 Comet.
Oh man,
It's gonna fly good, buddy. Don't worry.
are you ready?
Yeah, are you? Easy, easy. You need some trim?
Yeah.
What do you need?
Right trim and give me low rates.
All right.
Okay, give me right trim. All right, stop. More right trim. Okay. Oh, too much. You're going the wrong way. Okay.
A little bit right?
Yeah. Here, let me do it. There we go. All right.
I can't see where we're at.
Okay, now need a little bit of up. There we go.
God, you're not even half throttle. Oh!
Whoa.
Whoa, torque roll.
Yeah.
Gnarly torque roll. Holy
crap.
shit. Uh-oh.
Whoa, that's fast, dude.
Uh-oh. It's torque rolling.
That's fast. It gets away from you quick. It's hard.
Ooh, look at that shit. Flies good though, it looks like.
Oh, it flies great.
I can't even see it.
Dude, on a quarter throttle. Look at that. Holy shit.
That's badass.
Dude, it's like... Whoa.
I could see that it could probably use more prop. It winds right up, I think, easy without. Nice and easy. Dude, that's fucking, look at it. That's fucking, oh, and that's on low rates. Wow. You don't need much throw, huh?
No. Oh my gosh, no. No,
And I got like 30-40% expo in it too.
no, that's literally like a quarter throttle the whole flight, man. It's got so much power, it's unreal.
The sound, you listen to it, the
so
sound, you
neat.
can just hear it go
Alright,
everywhere.
I don't want to damage this, so I want to land it on the pavement.
Yeah, this is nice and smooth on pay. It'll be fine. I got grinders, I got epoxy. Perfect. 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 Oh, look, ooh, it slides.
Sweet.
She's a little heavier than